Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another exciting episode on FUNKYLACE, your go-to channel for everything sneaker and style. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of our latest content. Today we're diving into the iconic Reebok Shaq Attaq, a legendary basketball sneaker that's as unique as the NBA Hall of Famer it was created for, Shaquille O'Neal. We'll be exploring the shoe's design, history, and some of the coolest collaborations that have graced this classic silhouette. Back in 1992, Shaq was starting his rookie season with the Orlando Magic, and Reebok saw an opportunity to create a signature shoe for this dominant 7'1" center. Enter the Shaq Attaq, a high-top shoe designed by Reebok's senior designer Judy Close, who aimed to create the perfect balance of support, comfort, durability for Shaq's powerful playing style. The original Shaq Attaq color was a fresh mix of white, black, and metallic blue, inspired by the Orlando Magic's team colors, but what really set this shoe apart was its unique technology, like the Reebok Pump that allowed wearers to customize the fit by inflating the tongue for a snug, comfortable feel. It also featured a graphite and a lightweight plastic arch support, and a Hexalite cushioning for maximum shock absorption. Over the years, the Shaq Attaq has been released in various colorways and limited editions, each paying tribute to Shaq's incredible career and keeping sneakerheads on their toes. But it's the collaborations that have really brought the Shaq Attaq to the next level. In 2015, Reebok teamed up with Swedish sneaker retailer Sneakersnstuff to drop the Reebok Sneakersnstuff Shaq Attaq Token 38s. This version paid homage to the colors of the 1996 NBA All-Star Game and was a standout in the Token 38 collection. Fast forward to 2018 and we got the Reebok Packer Shoes Shaq Attaq, official friend of the program. This collab celebrates Shaq's journey from Louisiana State University to the Orlando Magic, mixing team colors and featuring the phrase official friend of the program embroidered on the heel. Talk about a trip down memory lane. What's incredible about the Reebok Shaq Attaq is how it remained relevant and sought after, even decades after its initial release. Thanks to these collaborations and the shoe's connection to one of the greatest NBA players of all time, the Shaq Attaq has secured its place on sneaker history. Alright guys, that wraps up our look at the Reebok Shaq Attaq and some of the most iconic collaborations. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into sneaker history. Let us know in the comments below if you have a favorite Shaq Attaq colorway or collaboration, and if there are any other sneakers you'd like us to explore on FUNKYLACE. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and share it with your fellow sneakerheads. Remember, subscribing and turning on notifications will keep you in the loop for all the latest sneaker news and reviews here on FUNKYLACE. Thank you so much for tuning in today. We appreciate your support and we'll catch you in the next episode. Stay funky and keep lacing up.